Welcome back to the PLG 123. This is episode 65 and today's tab is about Warmly. Let's dive in. Zoom Apps launched recently with 50 initial partner apps. As leader Ross Mayfield put it at Zoomtopia last week, it's built to support your meeting workflow. Everything that needs to happen before, during, and after your meeting in order for you to be productive. Connected to this, the company also announced the $100 million Zoom Apps Fund in April and just revealed the first batch of 12 investments. One of them is a company that I love called Warmly, and apparently Zoom loves them too because besides investing in the startup, they also just named Warmly as a winner of the Zoom Innovation Award. So what is Warmly? Well, you've probably had that back-to-back Zoom day where you're struggling even to join the right meeting at the right time. And then you show up in a meeting and your stomach sinks. Who is this person again? I know I sent them a Calendly link like a month ago, but I'm spacing. Warmly was built to solve that problem with an AI business card that gives you instant context on every person in every meeting. It looks up the attendees and then shows you all the pertinent details about them and puts it right at your fingertips inside Zoom, and also in your calendar in case you do have time to prep. On each card, you can also add your own notes from the meeting so that you'll remember all your shared context with that person the next time you see them. Okay, so that's all about getting context in a meeting, but Warmly also lets you provide the same kind of context to your fellow attendees by turning your own Warmly business card into a dynamic virtual background. Warmly demos this in the coolest way possible on their site by highlighting their investors' own Warmly cards. It's truly a great way to illustrate the product and to communicate social proof at the same time. Based on all of this, I think that Warmly has a huge opportunity to replace your address book and eventually maybe even your CRM. Well, that does it for today in the PLG 123. Make sure to follow me and tune in tomorrow for another new tab.